Hi everyone, welcome back to Insert Data. Today is day 12 of 45 days DAX challenge. Today I'll discuss max and mean function in DAX. These functions are very easy but powerful. So let's jump to Power BI desktop and see this function in action. If you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. I have copied the 45 days DAX challenge playlist into the description box. You can check it out. I'll paste data as well. You can perform mean and max function at your end and comment the result into the comment section. Okay, so let's jump to Power BI desktop. So here I am on Power BI desktop. So before I discuss anything, I'll explain you the table. I'll explain you the data. So I have taken one sales table and we have total 6 columns: sales ID, product, unit sold, unit price, discount and sales date. Fine, I hope this data is clear. So what is our work? Basically in this, I'll find what is the minimum unit sold in sales table and what is maximum unit sold in sales table. Next video I'll discuss mean X and max X. So please watch that video as well. So without any delay, let's start. So I'll create one new column. So new column I'll say, let's say mean unit sold. Okay, equal to, we have mean function, mean function, and then asking for column name. So which column I am using? I'll use unit sold column. See, minimum unit sold is 2. So if you can see here, minimum is 2 for laptop. Okay, and same as minimum, you can perform for max as well. Max unit sold equal to max unit sold. Okay. So maximum unit sold was 15. 15 for what? Which product? For mouse. And same as mean and max. For unit sold, you can perform for unit price, discount as well. Okay, so based on the requirement, you can use mean and max for particular column. I hope this is clear. Still, if you have any doubt, please don't forget to comment your doubt into the comment section. Definitely I'll look into it. Next video we will meet tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye.